Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, something has to give within the Nigerian space. It really does. The way things are going, something has to give, and it has to give quickly. So guys, I bring you this: defend your ancestral land, Ooni of Ife, Wole Soyinka tell Nigerians. So that's the headline: defend your ancestral land, Ooni of Ife, Wole Soyinka tell Nigerians. So now let's see what these two noblemen have to say. Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, and Nobel laureate Wole Soyinka have asked Nigerians to rise up and defend their ancestral land since the Muhammadu Buhari-led government was idling in the protecting of the lives of Nigerians. The duo made the declaration in a statement on Wednesday after a meeting in Ogun State. They said the selective approach of the Nigerian government to security in different parts of the country points to an internal colonization agenda which is happening with the nod of the government. The statement reads in part, "The present development is not new, nor has it lacked warnings. Numerous times, voices have been raised and resistance mounted against the evolution of internal heirs to external colonialism, be this manifested by a military elite or by religious or economic groupings which have flaunted their scant recognition of or respect for human dignity, civil rights, and sanctity of human life. The state has cultivated the art of looking the other way until forced to confront reality. In this regard, the recent ultimatum delivered by a sectarian order to the president of this nation to set up the so-called Ruga cattle settlements across the entire nation within a stipulated time, despite national outcry, should be acknowledged as entitlement under the bounty of freedom of expression. In return, we exercise ours and call upon Nigerian nationals across state demarcations to defend the sanctity of their ancestral lands. This birthright has never been annulled, not even under colonial occupation. We have in mind destructive forms of social transactions that characterize groups such as a nomadic cattle herdsman and their umbrella grouping in the nature of Mieti organization." So that is a Wole Soyinka statement right there, but of course backed by the Ooni of Ife, because they are standing in tandem in the backing of that statement. So now this is now where the country is now at this point, where the leaders of thought in all of the geographical spacing, especially the liberal Yorubas, if the liberal Yorubas who have always believed in the Nigerian state, and if Wole Soyinka, who was one of the main champions of this regime when he was coming in 2015, is now speaking in this language, then there's only one thing left to say: TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Conversations in the comment section. The clock is ticking, but where does it weigh? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you are making of this recurring decimal that is now reaching towards a crescendo within the Nigerian space. Come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.